everyone. Welcome back to Taj Hubs. In today's video, we are going to dive into an amazing Chrome extension called Hover Console, a must-have tool for JavaScript developers. I will walk you through how to install it and how to use its powerful features to simplify your debugging process. Let's get started. First thing first, let's install Hover Console. Head over the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type in Hover Console. Click on the extension and hit Add to Chrome. Simple as that. Once it installed, you will see the Hover Console icon right next to your address bar. You are ready to go. Now that Hover Console is installed, let me show you how it works. Hover Console simplifies debugging by bringing real-time JavaScript messages like console.log and console.error right onto your web page. For example, if I run a JavaScript function that logs something to the console instead of switching the DevTools, Hover Console will show me the message directly as a pop-up on the web page. You will see errors, warnings, and log without needing to open the console. Hover Console also allows you to customize which type of console message you want to see. You can turn off certain logs or errors if you don't want them cluttering your workspace. This is super powerful if you are only focused on specific debugging messages. It integrates perfectly with popular JavaScript frameworks like React and Angular, so you don't have to worry about any compatibility issues. And that's it. Hover Console is a super efficient tool that will save you time and improve your debugging workflow. If you are a JavaScript developer, this extension is a game changer. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow developers, and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Please subscribe to Taj Hubs.